If your indoor HVAC unit is humming and the temperature refuses to drop below 80 degrees, even though it's blowing cool air, something's definitely up with your system. So, first off, that humming noise is usually a sign that your HVAC transformer or motor might be struggling. It's like your system's trying to tell you something's wrong. One thing to check is the evaporator coil, because leaks there can seriously mess with cooling. If the coil is leaking, the refrigerant level drops, which means your unit can't keep the temperature down no matter how hard it tries. Also, dirty air filters can reduce airflow and make your system work overtime, causing noises and poor cooling performance. Make sure your thermostat settings are right and that it's not a simple case of it being set too high or in the wrong mode. Another thing is the condenser unit outside. If it's dirty or blocked, that can cause inefficiency inside too. Regular maintenance like cleaning coils and changing filters helps keep everything running smooth. And if you smell something weird or notice water pooling, that's a red flag to get a technician out as soon as possible. One of the biggest mistakes people make with HVAC problems is ignoring humming noises and thinking it's normal background sound. That hum is often from transformers or motors starting to fail, so get it checked before it turns into a bigger problem. Another issue is overlooking refrigerant leaks in the evaporator coil, which leads to the system cooling poorly without obvious signs until things get worse. A professional can detect and fix leaks properly. Lastly, skipping regular maintenance like changing air filters or cleaning coils can cause airflow problems and overheating, making your unit noisy and inefficient. Simple upkeep avoids this hassle. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by hooking homeowners up with trusted local contractors who know exactly how to handle HVAC troubles and other home fixes. At the same time, it helps contractors find steady work by connecting them with people who really need their skills.